If you run a local service business, a gym, a clinic, a salon, you probably don't need more leads. You need better systems. Someone clicks your ad, calls your front desk, fills out a form, and then the ball gets dropped. No one replies fast enough. The team is busy. Messages are lost. And by the time you respond, the lead has already booked with a competitor. In this video, I'll walk you through 5 high ROI AI automations you can use to turn those clicks and calls into booked appointments on Autopilot. Local service businesses are perfect for AI automations because the bottlenecks are predictable. Answering the same questions, chasing people to confirm, reschedule, pay, or leave a review. Gyms, clinics, and salons all follow the same pattern. Click, conversation, booking, visit, follow-up. We're going to plug AI into that journey in 5 places: 24/7 lead capture and speed to lead follow-up, missed call to conversation autopilot, no-show and reactivation engine, review and referral machine, an AI front desk that handles FAQs and booking. Let's start with the first one, and this is usually the fastest to pay for itself. Automation number 1 is 24/7 lead capture and speed to lead. Here's the problem. Most local businesses still rely on a human to answer the phone, check email, or reply to Instagram DMs. If the person who clicked your ad has to wait hours for a reply, your cost per lead just went up, and your chance of booking that person just went down. The data is very consistent across industries. The faster you respond, the more likely you are to book the appointment. But your team can't sit in front of the inbox 24/7. That's exactly where AI shines. Here's how the lead capture and follow-up autopilot works for a gym, clinic, or salon. Step 1. Anytime someone submits a form, fills out a landing page, or sends a DM, an AI agent instantly reaches out by text, WhatsApp, or email. Step 2. The AI asks 2 or 3 smart questions to qualify the lead. For a gym, that might be, what's your current fitness level? Or, are you more interested in weight loss or strength? For a clinic, is this your first visit with us? For a salon, what service are you looking for, and when would you like to come in? Step 3. Once the AI has just enough context, it offers a specific time and sends your booking link or directly drops the appointment into your calendar system. To make this automation high ROI, you want to track 3 simple KPIs. First, speed to first response. The goal is to get this under 1 minute for every new lead, no matter when they come in. Second, lead to booking rate. What percentage of people who raise their hand actually book a trial, consultation, or service? Third, show-up rate, which will boost even more with the next automations. For example, a small local gym might be paying for Facebook ads and getting 20 leads a week. With AI handling the first contact in seconds instead of hours, that same ad spend can suddenly produce twice as many book trials without hiring more staff. Automation number 2 is missed call to conversation autopilot. If you run a clinic or a busy salon, you already know this pain. The phone rings while your front desk is helping someone in person, and you just miss the call. Maybe the caller leaves a voicemail, maybe they don't. Either way, by the time someone calls them back, they've often booked with another business. Every missed call is a potential lost booking. AI can turn those missed calls into a second chance. Here's the play. Whenever you miss a call, an AI workflow automatically sends a personalized text to that number. Something like, "Hey, this is brand name Jim. Sorry we missed your call. Are you looking to book a class? Ask about pricing? Or something else?" From there, the AI handles the back and forth. It answers common questions, shares your offer, and either drops a booking link or proposes a specific time. For clinics, the AI can ask whether it's a new patient, what type of appointment they need, and route them to the right calendar. For salons, it can ask what service they want and which stylist they prefer. The key metric here is what percentage of missed calls turn into two-way conversations and bookings. Automation number 3 is a no-show and reactivation engine. Local businesses lose a lot of money not from lack of leads, but from people who book and then disappear. They forget, they get nervous, or they simply don't bother to cancel. For gyms, that's trial members who never show up. For clinics, it's first appointments that vanish. For salons, it's last-minute cancellations that leave empty slots in your calendar. AI can quietly protect your schedule in the background. Here's how the no-show engine works. First, for every booking, you send smart reminders across channels, email plus SMS or WhatsApp. The AI doesn't just say, "Reminder, you have an appointment." It adds context, where to park, what to bring, how long the session will take. Second, if someone doesn't reply or indicates they might need to reschedule, the AI offers alternative times instead of forcing your staff to chase them. Third, if they no-show completely, a reactivation sequence kicks in a day or two later. "Hey, we missed you yesterday. Do you want to rebook or did something change?" The KPIs, lower no-show rate and higher rebook rate from people who initially flaked. Automation number 4 is a review and referral machine. Gyms, clinics, and salons live and die on word of mouth and local search. But most owners rely on customers to remember to leave a review, which usually means it doesn't happen. AI can run this process for you every single day without feeling pushy. After a visit, an AI workflow sends a quick message, "Thanks for coming in today. If you had a good experience, would you mind leaving us a quick review? Here's the link." People who respond positively can also get a gentle referral nudge. If you have a friend who'd love result, feel free to share this link with them. Your metrics here are number of new Google reviews per month, average rating, and referral bookings generated. Automation number 5 is an AI front desk for FAQs and basic booking. Think of all the questions your team answers every day. What's your pricing? Do you take my insurance? Do you have evening appointments? Where are you located? Is there parking? You can train an AI agent on your website, price lists, membership options, and policies, and let it handle the first layer of support on your site, WhatsApp, or even voice. Here's how the AI front desk works in practice. When someone lands on your site or messages your business, the AI greets them and asks what they're looking for. It can answer common questions instantly, send them the right page, share a pricing overview, or give directions. If the person is ready to book, the AI either hands them your booking link or, in more advanced setups, checks live availability and books the slot for them. If at any point the conversation gets too complex, for example, a sensitive medical question, so on, AI can tag it and escalate to a human instead of guessing. This frees your human team to focus on high-value conversations and in-person service, Well, AI handles the repetitive front desk work. So how do you actually implement these 5 automations? You don't need to rebuild your business from scratch. Start by mapping one simple flow. Where do leads come from today? Where do you want them to end up? Which questions are asked over and over again? Then plug in AI at the weakest link. Maybe that's slow lead follow-up, constant missed calls, or no-shows. Use your existing tools, calendar, CRM, messaging apps, and connect them with a no-code automation layer plus an AI agent. Once the first automation is live and stable, stack the others on top. Let's recap the 5 high ROI automations for local service businesses. 24/7 lead capture and speed-to-lead follow-up, missed call to conversation autopilot, no-show and reactivation engine, review and referral machine, AI front desk for FAQs and booking. You don't need to launch all 5 at once. Pick one that matches your biggest leak in the funnel, ship it in the next week, and let the numbers tell you what to build next. If you want more breakdowns like this for real-world AI automations, subscribe to AI Business Autopilot, and let's build systems